morning. I decided to film this kind of rainy day vlog today. It's Thursday, it's supposed to rain all day today, and I pretty much have nothing planned for today because I was supposed to finish a big editing project for a company by Friday, but they actually asked me if I could deliver the project a little bit sooner. So I actually sent them the videos I was working on by Wednesday night, so now I have 2 days completely free. I don't think I've had a proper day off since becoming a freelancer, and even though I work less now than in my 9-to-5 job and I'm less tired and less stressed out than I used to be, I still feel like with freelancing, work really never stops. It's basically always on your mind because it's part of your daily life, and I also very much blame YouTube for that because for years I was hooked on these productivity videos which told me that if I'm not being productive 24/7 then I'm not even worth it, I'm not gonna get anywhere, and I always felt guilty even taking 5 minutes break. And by this I'm not saying that in the past years I never had a 5-minute break, because that wouldn't be true. I take a lot of breaks and there are days when I don't do anything. But what I can say for sure is that ever since becoming a freelancer, I have not had a 5-minute break that I didn't feel guilty about. I'm sure I will talk about this kind of toxic productivity later on my channel, but today I just wanted to film this kind of lazy rainy day vlog when I can finally do whatever I want and be unproductive and not feel guilty about it. Of course, I know that technically I'm not being unproductive because I'm also filming this video for my channel, so basically I'm being productive by being unproductive. Anyway, since I love filming and editing so much, I thought it would be fun to just capture this day and upload it on my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's just finally start this day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. falling down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
So we have reached the end of the day. I feel really tired, but very energized at the same time. This has been a lot of fun. I think I should do this more often. Anyway, if you reached the end of the video, thank you very much for watching this. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe down below. I'm posting a video every week, either Friday or Saturday, depends on when I can edit them. So if you like this one, please make sure to come back for my next video. Have a wonderful day. I will see you around. Bye.